Have you ever watched someone walk into a room and somehow everyone notices them? They're not the best looking person. They're not the richest, and they aren't even trying that hard. Yet somehow, people naturally gravitate toward them. Most people call it confidence. Psychologists call it social influence. The internet calls it dark psychology. Now, before you get the wrong idea, this isn't about manipulating someone into falling in love with you. Real attraction can never be forced. But there are psychological principles that make people feel safer, more curious, and more emotionally connected to you. Use them to become a better version of yourself, not to control someone else. 1. The confidence mirror. This is probably the most misunderstood dark psychology trick online. Confidence is contagious. When someone sees that you respect yourself, they unconsciously assume others probably do too. That changes how they see you. Walk with good posture. Maintain relaxed eye contact. Speak slowly instead of rushing. Don't apologize for existing. Don't seek constant validation. Here's the biggest secret. Confident people aren't trying to convince everyone to like them. They're simply comfortable being themselves. Ironically, that's exactly what makes them attractive. Here's the truth nobody on the internet wants to tell you. No psychological trick can make the wrong person become the right person. Attraction isn't mind control, it's connection. These principles should never be used to manipulate, deceive, or pressure someone. Use them to become more confident, a better communicator, and someone people naturally enjoy being around. Because when you genuinely improve yourself, you won't need tricks anymore. The right people will notice. Number 2, positive emotional association. Most people think attraction starts with appearance. It often starts with emotion. Think about the funniest person you know. People love being around them. Why? Because your brain links that person with positive feelings. This is called emotional association. Your crush doesn't need to remember every conversation. They just need to remember, I always feel good around this person. Smile genuinely, tell stories, be playful, encourage them, celebrate their wins, become someone whose presence lowers stress, not someone who constantly creates drama. People chase feelings, not perfection. Number 3, the scarcity principle. Here's where many people accidentally ruin attraction. They become available every single minute. Reply in 5 seconds. Cancel plans. Always waiting. Always chasing. Psychology tells us something interesting. Humans naturally value things that appear limited. Not because they're rare, but because they seem important. This doesn't mean ignoring texts for 3 days. It means having your own life. Go to the gym, build your career, spend time with friends, have goals that exist outside your crush. Ironically, when your happiness doesn't depend on one person, you become far more attractive. Number 4, make them feel seen. Here's a secret. People don't remember those who talk the most. They remember those who make them feel understood. When your crush is speaking, don't wait for your turn to talk. Actually listen. Notice small details. Remember their favorite coffee. Ask about the job interview they mentioned last week. Remember the name of their dog. These tiny moments activate something powerful. People feel emotionally valued. Most people are desperate to be heard. If you're the one person who truly listens, you'll automatically stand out. Number 5, the mystery effect. Here's something most people do wrong. The moment they like someone, they tell them everything. Every hobby, every opinion, every weekend plan. No mystery. But our brains are naturally drawn to unfinished stories. Psychologists call this the curiosity gap. When people don't know everything about you, their mind keeps filling in the blanks. That's why the quiet guy at the party often gets more attention than the loudest person in the room. Instead of trying to impress your crush with nonstop talking, leave space. Answer honestly, but don't overshare every detail in one conversation. Let them discover you over time. Mystery creates curiosity. Curiosity creates attraction. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more psychology and self-improvement content that actually helps you become a stronger, smarter version of yourself. Until next time, keep improving.